In this we're going to be walking you through how to earn or make up to 4,200 naira on Opay business. So let's say you already have your own Opay business account and you see someone that are more like interested in opening an Opay business account. So all you just need to do, just refer them to join Opay business and you're gonna earn a commission for that. So all you just need to do, just opening your Opay business app, then click on join Opay right here. Then on this page you can see invite friends to Opay to earn reward up to 4,200 naira. Find friends who have not used Opay or have been inactive for over 180 days to join and earn reward. So all you just need to do is just copy your invitation code or ask them to join using your link, and then you're gonna be earning up to that amount. So they also explain how the earnings work. So you can see invite now, to be invited, and to be invited as well. So this is how you can actually make money from Opay business. So you can also see the referral record where you see all people that have actually joined using your referral link to the Opay business. So that's how you can actually make money from your Opay business. You can also check on the rules so you see how it works, so there won't be any issue when you are trying to use this option.